So first of all, starting with the basics of reverse charge. So today's topic is reverse charge. We'll discuss everything about reverse charge, starting from the basics of which are the basic sections, provisions, rules, everything, and what are all the notified goods and services in reverse charge. So first of all, we'll start with the basics. So what does reverse charge mean? So the definition of reverse charge is given in section 2, clause 98 of CGST Act. So what does this clause say? It says reverse charge means the liability to pay tax by the recipient of supply of goods or services or both instead of the supplier. Okay, so reverse charge is when liability to pay is on the recipient instead of the supplier under subsection 3 and subsection 4 of section 9. So they have specified what reverse charge means, and also they have mentioned the sections applicable. So it is section 9 subsection 3 and 4 in CGST Act and section 5 subsection 3 and 4 in IGST Act. So first let's see section 9.3. So in case of any queries, please do ask in the chat box. And in case of any issues, also please. Sorry. Yes. So the first section that we are going to see is section 9.3. So as defined in section 2 subclause 98, reverse charge first section is section 9.3. So section 9.3, what does it say? It says the government may notify categories of goods, supply of goods or services or both, the tax on which shall be paid on reverse charge basis by the recipient. And all the provisions shall be applicable to this person as if he is the person liable to pay tax. So basically what they are saying here is that in section 9.3, the government will specify certain goods or services which are applicable on reverse charge basis. That is what is section 9.3. Next, section 9.4. We'll see both the sections and we'll see what is the difference also in both these sections. So next is reverse charge under section 9.4. Now it's very important to note here that Section 9.4 has been amended in the CGST Amendment Act 2018. So, which was applicable from 1st February 2019, right? So we'll discuss what was Section 9.4 before 31st January 2019 and after 31st January 2019. So what was the section before? We'll see that first. So this is the old section. Please note, this is the old section. So what does it say? It says central tax payable in respect of supply of goods or services by a supplier who is not registered to a registered person shall be paid on reverse charge basis by the recipient. Okay. So here they are saying in case the supplier is unregistered and he is supplying some taxable goods or services to a registered person, then reverse charge shall be applicable in that case. Okay, and now we'll see the new section and then we'll analyze the difference in these two sections. So first, section 9, now section 9 subsection 4, which is currently applicable, that is after 1st February 2019. So here what it says government may notify certain class of registered persons who shall in respect of supply of specified categories of goods or services received from unregistered supplier shall pay tax on reverse charge basis, right? So here now what they are saying the government will now specify what all will the government specify. It will specify class of registered persons. It will specify the goods and services also. So I hope you are able to see the difference between the old provision and the new provision. So in the old provision, it says, so in the new, let's see the new provision. The new provision, it says that it will specify the goods and services, but old provision, it didn't say anything like that. So old provision was applicable for all the categories, and And they kept on postponing. As you remember, they kept on postponing the applicability of Section 9(4). But later on, through the Act, through the Amendment Act, CGST Amendment Act, they have now specified that Section 9(4), that is RCM in case of unregistered persons, will be applicable only for specified goods and services and for specified registered persons only.
Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slide, because already many people are using, but still if you're not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.